Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to activate Google Fi service on your phone. Follow these simple instructions to get connected. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before starting, ensure your phone is compatible with Google Fi. You can check this on the Google Fi website. Most unlocked Android and iPhone models should work seamlessly. Step 2. Sign up for Google Fi. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a Google Fi account. Visit the Google Fi website and select a plan that suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Step 3. Order a SIM card. After signing up, you will either receive a Google Fi SIM card in the mail or get a digital SIM if your phone supports it. If you're using a smartphone that doesn't require a physical SIM, skip to Step 6. Step 4. Insert the SIM card. If you have a physical SIM card, insert it into your phone by following these steps. 1. Locate the SIM card tray on your phone. 2. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open the tray. 3. Place the SIM card in the tray and reinsert it into your phone. Step 5. Configure your phone settings. Once the SIM is inserted, power on your phone. You might receive a notification to download the Google Fi app or set up your mobile network. If prompted, allow the app to configure your carrier settings. Step 6. Download the Google Fi app. To manage your Google Fi account easily, download the Google Fi app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and log in with your Google account. Step 7. Activate your phone. Once you've downloaded the app, follow the in-app instructions to activate your service. This will involve confirming your Google account and may include selecting your phone number or porting an existing number. Step 8. Test your connection. After activation, make a test call or send a text message to ensure everything is working correctly. You should also check your data connection to confirm you're connected to the Google Fi network. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.